My culture shocks in government service part 3. First, ang daming pa t-shirt and polo shirt. Kasi shirts are ways of promoting yung advocacy ng isang government agency or nung isang department within that agency. Ang dami ko talagang naipon na polo shirts from when I started working up to now. Next, mahilig sa branded shoes ang mga government employees. Tanda ko kasi noong mga unang taon ko sa government service, merong pa Zumba every morning. And makikita mo, branded yung mga shoes nila. Usually, Nike, Adidas, ganyan. Isip ko ay parang yung mga government employees can afford. Pero eventually na-realize ko, depende pa rin yun sa priority. Number 3. May pa-team building mare. Sponsored yan ng agency and wala ka talagang gagastosin accommodation, food, transportation. Job order pa lang ako noon na experience ko nang sumama sa team building. Sabi ko, wow, parang ang saya-saya naman kasi may sponsored na team building activities and stress management activities ang government agency for their employees. Pero yung mga ganong activities pala ay subject pa rin sa availability of funds and guidelines. Ikaw, ano yung mga culture shocks mo sa government service?